Hi traders, welcome to my channel. I am Rajshekhar. I'm sorry I could not upload the Nifty video along with the Bank Nifty video. I had some audio issues and I had to re-record it, so I'm doing it now. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty geometry, price cycles, and time cycles. And before we begin this video, I assume that you have seen the part 1 of Nifty price cycles along with time cycles. If you have not seen it, please watch that video for better understanding and clear view. And if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. So let's begin. So I have two screens. On the right hand side, this is Gann, Nifty geometry. On the left hand side, this is price and time cycles. So first let's begin with Nifty geometry. As we discussed in the last video of Nifty, this was an important angle which is geometrical 45 degrees 1 by 1. And as I mentioned, this is an important support. Unless we don't trade below this or break this level, it is not going down, and we might see a pullback. And as mentioned, we are seeing a pullback after the time cycle completed, which I'll be discussing in this screen. Now after we got the pullback, now at current market price, what is the view? If you are long at 45 degrees, you can trail. If you are planning for new longs, I recommend to avoid. Reason is, this is an important hurdle, and if you are planning to short, even that might not work. Reason is, this is an important support now, right? So this is a resistance and this is a support now. Now this resistance will work when this time gets activated. So this is an area where price and time squaring can happen in the future. So that date is 6th and 15th, between 6th and 15th. Now till then, price may not hold this, it might break or it might retrace. Both are possibilities. Now from tomorrow, 31st will be an important date with respect to time cycles. Now everything depends whether this will break or this will break. It all depends after 31st close. So all in all, my view, from 31st, the next move is expected either to break this or either to retrace. So in short, any fresh longs please avoid and wait for the retracement, because this is an important price level wherein this can give a retracement till 16,300 as 16,200, 300 levels again. If 16,700 does not hold, it can straight away drop to this level, and if this breaks, it will come back to the previous time and price area, which I'll be discussing in this screen. Now unless we don't cross 16,700, it will not go up. If 16,700 is crossed, then we may touch 16,900 levels, and 16,900 will be our important resistance area again. Now from 16,900 approximately around 17,000, right? So if in case if 16,900 sustains, then we might see 17,200, which is next price level with the same time area. Means the price time squaring can happen here or here itself. It all depends what time will influence the price, whether the positive direction or the negative direction when the price reaches this level or this level. Now with the current market view, avoid fresh longs because it is a resistance area. 16,700 and 16,900 is a price angle, right? So if 16,700 stays, it will be positive still 16,900. If 16,900 breaks, we might touch 17,200, and if time favors, we might hit 17,400 as well, right? So what are the probabilities of touching all these levels? It all depends on the time and these angles, how this will react to time. Okay, so now what if 16,700 is not crossed? We might get a retracement for the next buying opportunity. This is with respect to Gann geometry, right? So now let's see what price cycles did and time cycles did. See, just like Bank Nifty, in the Bank Nifty video, I had explained about time cycles. In this, I will not be getting into all the details of previous time cycles. I mentioned the important time cycles, the start date and the end date. So now, before we jump into the time cycle, let's see how it reacted to Gann price cycles. Now, this was all-time high, and this is your midpoint of long-term bear cycle. Unless we don't break this, we are not going down. So after we made a top, we came back to long-term bear cycle uh, trigger which offered support and went back. So reason for going back was because from short-term cycle target was here, and if we get inside, we will go back and hit the short-term cycles again. So short-term cycle target was here, it achieved, and there was a rejection here because of another price angle which I have not mentioned here. It could be midpoint of short-term bear cycle also. So again from there was a sell-off, and we came back and we took support at the medium-term cycle target. From there again it went back, hit the midpoint of medium-term bear cycle. Again there was a pullback, and this time we broke this and we touched the trigger point, and again we broke and we came back to the midpoint of long-term bear cycle. So as long as this holds, the sell-off is paused. Unless we don't break this, we won't see any sell-off. If it stays, we will range in the same cycles. We might have short-term up move, down move in this entire area, right? Now at current market price, what is happening? So from current market price, same thing. From this high, we took support at midpoint, which paused the fall, and from there we are back inside the medium term bear cycle. Now this can be a short term reversal for the next sell off, or this can trigger a medium term bull cycle as well, which can lead the prices back to these areas, midpoint of medium term bear cycle or previous short term bear cycle target, right? So there are possibilities are there. It all depends on how time influences the price. Now coming back to price and time cycles, 6th to 28th April was one time cycle. From 6th high we made 28th, from 6th we had a sell off till 28th, and the next cycle was from 28th to 24th, which is the current the previous time cycle. So from 28th, just like as I explained in the Bank Nifty video, 28th high didn't cross. When this broke, it gave a sell off. And in this, there were other dates, just like the dates that I had mentioned in the Bank Nifty. 5th is one of them, and 17th is one of the time in the previous cycle of 28th to 24th. Now observe closely. From 28th to 24th, the cycle was down, and while coming down, this was another date and this was another date. And from 28th to 24th, the cycle completed, and now a new cycle is already active, which is from 24th to 16th June. Now from 24th, if 24th I is taken, as we discussed in Bank Nifty, it will be bullish. If 24th low is taken, it will be bearish. Now in Nifty scenario, in Nifty case, see this was 24th high didn't break, immediately 24th low was taken and there was a sell-off. Now this sell-off went and hit the previous date in the previous time cycle, which was 17th, and from 17th low it took support and it broke 24th high, and we saw this breakout. And after breaking out the another time cycle, which another date in the past time cycle, which is 11th, that was also broken, and after this we have seen a gap up today. Now after the gap up, as I mentioned, the price level 16,700, 16,900 is the price band with the time influence. Now this high, this low will be important for the next move from 31st. So the next time is 31st, right? So from 31st till 6th will be the next move. Now the next move, whether it is bearish, bullish, choppy, all depends on this price range as well as the time that it gets stamped on 31st. Unless 31st low does not break, prices won't be turn bearish. Unless 31st high is not taken, it will not turn bullish. Now let's say if it creates price inside this band, then this also will become important. See, the same price levels are indicated in geometry, Gann geometry as well. So in short, if you are long, trail it. If you are not long, please avoid, because this can give a pullback towards 16,500 and 16,200 as well, which is also the previous time support. I hope you understood. In this video, I will also cover intraday price time squaring, which I post in live market. So today I had mentioned 11:30 is important, and from 11:30 the next time was 1:30, and after 1:30 the next time was 3 p.m. So from 11:30 we saw a sell-off, and again 1:30 it achieved the price target with respect to time. Now this could have triggered a reversal, or this could have triggered the down move. In this case, this triggered downward move till 3 o'clock. So if you want this intraday time, please join my Telegram. I'll leave the link in the description. I hope you like the video. If you have liked the video, please like and subscribe. And I wish you good luck for the upcoming trades during the week. And I'll keep you posted with the live updates in the Telegram. Thanks for watching.